Greetings everyone, today I'll be showing you a demonstration of Cascoda's KNX IoT Development Kit using the game of Battleships running over KNX IoT. This has been configured with ETS6 and here is the respective project. The devices come with documentation on the use of the buttons and how to put the device in programming mode, and they also contain a number of points which are used to send the game state. Let's go into a bit more detail about these points. They have been linked into send and receive shot groups. The send and receive shot is used to transmit the X and Y coordinates of a shot fired by a player to another player. We also have send and receive shot status, which is used to transmit the information about the status of the hit. That consists of whether the shot has been a hit, a miss, and whether it's destroyed a ship. Finally, we have send and receive ready, which is used to let the other party know that the game has started. With that being said, let's play a game of Battleships. The ships can also be rotated. And now we wait for the game ready message to be sent out. And here we are. Looks like my colleague is about to fire the first shot. Looks like that was a miss. I've hit a destroyer. That was a hit on my battleship. And I've sunk the destroyer. This concludes our demonstration of battleships running over KNX IoT. Thank you for watching.